Halo anjay, selamat datang di channel Exa Gaming 07. Nah, video kali ini gua main Modern War Tank lagi nih, cok. Dan tank yang gua pakai kali tank hasil gacha 4 bulan lalu di tier 3 dari Jepang, yaitu tank tipe 90 tank. Ini aslinya lumayan dan lincah, cuma jarang gua pakai aja. Tank ini udah gua upgrade MK2 seperti biasa. Cok, kecepatan 75 km lumayan kan buat tank ini. Ketahanan di 40.000 lebih. Kecepatan mundur 46 km anjay. Di sini meriamnya 120 militer dengan 2 senapan mesin dan reload di 4 detik aja. Gimana cepet kan reload tank ini? Dan seperti biasa gue cuman upgrade MK1 aja cuy. Cuma peluru aja yang gua max kan biar agak sedikit sakit cuy. Daripada banyak cincong, langsung aja kita gas kan main. Tapi sebelum itu subscribe dulu anjay, karena subscribe itu gratis cuy.
We're about to move forward along axis blue and seize the objective Rook. Driver, move out. Loading, 7. Passed the LT just now. Identified target 1000. Target has no effects. Sector is under our control. Target penetrated. Good job. Sector captured. Good work. Hit. Driver check meter. No abnormality. Minor damage. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much. Object. Ready. Loader ready. Gunner ready. Identify target 1000. Identify SPA. Ready to fire. Identify APC in combat. Target has no effects. Target no damage. Base capture confirmed. Target has no effects. Target, cease fire. Target penetrated. The enemy has taken control of our base. Target, no damage. Target, but it's keeping fighting. Emergency maintenance. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much. Target, cease fire. Driver down. Target penetrated. We've captured the enemy base. Good work. Target penetrated. Good job. Identify tanks destroyed. Target, cease fire. Target, no damage. Target has no effect. Object captured. Nice work. Target, cease fire. Good kill, Gunner.
We are close to victory. The advantage is on our side.
Target, but it hasn't been damaged much.
Identify tank, burning up!
Target, but it's keeping fighting. Identify tank, moving fast. Target has no effect. Smoke. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much.
The enemy has taken control of our base.
Target, cease fire.
Kill Gunner.
Identify tank, burning up!
Confirming capture of enemy base. Good job.
Target, but it's keeping fighting.
Base capture confirmed.
Target, but it's keeping fighting.
We are close to victory. The advantage is on our side. We've captured the enemy base. Good work.
Target has no effect. Loading heat. Target cease fire. Driver up. Smoke. Emergency repair. Hurry, hurry. Identify tanks destroyed. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much. Identify chopper closing fast. Target, cease fire. Driver down. Target, no damage. Loading, 7. Smoke. Target penetrated. Severely damaged. Target, no damage. Identify tank.
Sector advantage is on the enemy side.
Target with no damage. Identify tanks destroyed. Target, but it's keeping fighting. Identify tanks destroyed. Target, but it hasn't been damaged much.
Identify tank, burning up!
Enemy base is now under our control.
Identify tank. Target, no damage.
Turret traversing gearbox is broken!
Driver, follow the guidance of the gunner when shooting. Roger. Target penetrated. Severely damaged.